Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have Telegram and an account. Now create your bot with BotFather. Send /new bot, choose a clear name and username, then copy the API token BotFather gives you. Once done, set up your dev environment, install Node, JS or Python, and open a project folder. Make sure to store the token in an environment variable or a config file so you don't hardcode it. This immediate setup gets you ready to write code and receive updates from Telegram right away. Now implement the core logic using your chosen library. Create handlers for /start, text messages, and any commands you need. Keep functions small and testable. Use environment variables for the token and logging configuration, and add error handling that reports exceptions. Decide between long polling for simplicity or webhooks for production. If you pick webhooks, expose localhost with ngrok for local testing. Once your handlers reply correctly, iterate on command flow and validate. Finally, deploy your bot to a hosting provider and set the webhook to your HTTPS endpoint or run long polling on a stable server. Make sure process managers restart the bot if it crashes and monitor logs to catch runtime errors and rate limits. Once deployed, test interactions from several Telegram accounts to confirm permissions and message formatting. If something breaks, enable verbose logging, check token validity, and verify webhook responses. These steps usually reveal misconfigured routes or missing dependencies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.